20 kilometers to the east of the Khyber Pass lies Peshawar, the central city of the Gandhara Plains. The bazaar along the main street is jammed with crowds and congested with car traffic. In the olden days, minstrels used to stand on the street corner to recite love romances or epics of legendary heroes. Every man we meet here invariably wears either a hat or a turban. We can tell which region he's from by the shape of his hat or turban. Round hats belong to the Pashto tribe. A man from Afghanistan wraps up his head loosely with a piece of long cloth. These men do not simply wrap their heads with cloth. They take secret fashionable delight in wearing vivid colored hats underneath, which peek out the back of their turbans. A tea house called Chai Khana. When a cup of tea is ordered, a man makes it whilst balancing himself holding a piece of rope hung from the ceiling. A cup of tea costs about 26 cents. People of Peshawar are great tea lovers. They plant themselves in the parlor of Chai Khana and leisurely enjoy black Indian tea or Chinese green tea. While refreshing themselves with tea, they keep on talking, whether about business matters or personal affairs. The atmosphere of Chai Khana in Peshawar now is unchanged from that of ancient times. Once in the inner alleys of the bazaar, there are more reminders of the Silk Road age. On the veranda facing the courtyard, a group of craftsmen skilled in traditional goldwork are displaying their abilities. They are making rings, bracelets, earrings, and so on. They look like father and children, but actually they are master and his apprentices. These children make it a rule to visit here every day after school. When will I be able to make these beautiful things by myself? A cute little 6-year-old boy, earnest in his desire to help his master. This is the busiest street in the bazaar, flanked by rows of shops specializing in copperworks. Daily necessities such as pans, pots, pitchers are being made using only a small mallet. Apart from the experienced craftsmen and their excellent works, the success story told by the proprietor is another charm of the bazaar.
Please explain which things that you made.
Copper pieces. These my copper work in the world best. Yes.
Yeah.
These all made by hand, no machine. In Pakistan, in Gujranwala, Lahore, Karachi, many make it, but this also work is by machine. But this work, my work is also by hand. And you see this piece, sir, this is no one piece. This is 10 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this design. Small piece join, and this I make it. But one my work is this one. These work in the world best. And these make it, I am alone set in the world. Second different design.
So you are
Yes.
a very rich person.
Oh no, sir. You believe me, my name is Ali. But not Prince Ali, just poor Ali. And people come to my shop, I tell him, in the world 5 Ali. First line of the God.
Yeah.
Second Ali Baba and 40 thieves. Third Prince Ali Khan.
Yeah.
4 Muhammad Ali Kile. And 5 poor honest Ali. No money, but in God we trust.